Hello there and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Kinsey. In today's video we have another thrift store find. This mirror was only a couple dollars and it's in perfect shape, so I had to grab it. There's only a slight little nick at the bottom of it, but we're going to be covering this in clay and moss and paint, so it's not going to really matter. My sister Leanna gifted me a bunch of these crystals and I figured I would put them to use. So let's go ahead and put them onto this witchy mirror. As an artist, I am starting to lean into the cottagecore vibes, especially when it comes to our vending events. Being able to transition into having art as a full-time job has really been magical, and I'm just feeling the vibes, and I just really want to keep going and feeling more and more like who I really am. I definitely feel like I've lost myself in the last couple of years, so this has been very therapeutic and very, very healing for me. I have been doing art pretty much my entire life. I believe I started it in elementary school, like kindergarten or so. I was definitely a troubled child and got in trouble quite often, so the school counselor would have me draw and express myself and just let things out that way, and I haven't stopped since. And my first time winning an award or getting any kind of recognition for my art was in the first grade. My teacher saw the sculpture that I made for our class project, which was me holding my cat up in the air, and the cat was doing the airplane thing. And so she had submitted it to the Texas State Youth Art Show, and I came in first place. Growing up, I had always envisioned myself being a tattoo artist, but now that I am an adult and I have children, and one of them who is very special and gifted, yet has a lot of health issues that are very scary. So I haven't down a normal 9 to 5 for the last 12 years, and it's been a struggle for sure, but I've been given the opportunity over the last year to hit the brakes completely on the road that I was on and turn around and take another route. And it's really starting to pay off and feel really, really amazing. I might not be a tattoo artist, but I am bringing in a steady income through my art, and that is more than I ever thought that I could actually accomplish in my adult life. My confidence was completely depleted. Having low self-esteem that crippling, you won't get anywhere with it. It's a wall. It's a wall that you build in your own mind. And I feel like the only way to get over that is to do it. Just throw yourself fully into it, whether you know what you're doing or not. I definitely don't have a clue of what I'm doing, but I've jumped onto this path and it's really, really feeling good. It's going slow and steady, definitely slow, but the feeling of comfort and just feeling accomplished and being able to show a different side of myself that I'm truly proud of has been life-altering. Anyways, I will quit rambling now, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you if you've made it this far already. It really means the world to us. And don't forget, we have extra content over on our Patreon, as well as continuing our 31-day challenge of Inktober, and we would love to see you there. Now for the time we've been waiting for, here's the reveal. much for watching. We really appreciate your support. If you like this content and would like to see more, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We hope to see you around. Bye.